Hi then guys, and welcome to another vlog. This week's vlog we are going to take you to a really nice little village which is called
San Candido.
There you go, I'll never be able to pronounce that. And then we're going to a lake which is called
Lago di Landro.
There you go, and I hope I've said that right. Apologies to anybody who's got it wrong. So the first place, the little village, it's a really nice little village. Bits and dabs going on. It was I think it was a Saturday or a Sunday was there, so it wasn't a great deal going on, to be fair. Some of the shops were shut. There was a church what we went inside of, and to be honest with you guys, that is absolutely stunning. You go through the first door, shut that behind you. As you went into the second door, there was bars. You couldn't go through the second door, it was just bars, but it was all like sort of gold and really pretty. So I've just stuffed the camera through the bars and done a bit of videoing and done a few photos, so we'll show you that. The lake what we're going to, again, that's absolutely stunning, worth a look at. It's mountain drop was behind it, so you've got a lovely lake, lovely flat calm waters. It was, we got with a sunrise, all the tops of the mountains was going red. So again, that's worth having a look at. We're going to take you to the little town first, and look at that. When we am back at the lake, we also do some drone footage, so have a look at that, see what you're thinking. Leave your comments below if you think I'm cocking it up. But there you go. Right then guys, we're going to let you go. We're going to crack on and we'll see you up by the church. Cheers guys. Some sorts of shackles these guys. Don't have an idea what them is for. Right, Smiler? A nice mountain range guys. I don't know if this is actually showing you. No sparrows here. No sparrows here having a bath.
Oh yeah.
Well guys, it's Sunday and all these shops are shut round here, which is really good in my eyes. They should be shut on a Sunday. Had a lot of push bikes around here being used. A lot of electric bikes. With the amount of the hills they've got to climb around here, don't blame them for having electric ones. I think them needed for me anyway. Guys, I know this this camera just ain't going to give this shot, this photo or this bit of filming any sort of justification to what we've seen here. That's just stunning, that is. The lens on it is too wide, it needs a long lens on it. I've only got a wide angle lens on the Z9 as well today, so need something like a 200mm lens, and it'll just put everything into perspective, I think. There you go, we got what we got. Nice little garden, guys, here outside this hotel thing. Morning, guys, and we've just parked up. So I'm just going for a night this morning. What day are we on? Tuesday, is it?
Tuesday.
So I'm on a Tuesday.
The 26th.
The 26th. And as you can see by that, we've got blue skies. It's a bit chilly this morning, a bit chilly over the night. Went down to about 3, I think.
-1.
-1, did he?
Yeah.
Oh, don't just tell me it did -1. There you go. So we got up this morning to the view of a beautiful lake, which I've already photographed. And now I'm just heading off to another one, which will show you around. The colours have just started to change around here on the trees, the autumn colours. Looking really nice. We've got about another, how many days we got left on? 10? No, we think we've got about 9 days left over here before we've got to get on the ferry to get back home. So, the weather forecast is good all this week again. Absolutely stunning it is, guys, to be honest with you. Anyway, we'll switch you off and I'll turn you on when we get down to this this lake, what we're going to look at. So guys, the water's gone really flat again here. The mountains have gone all hazy. Well guys, I'm turning up to this lake. As you can see by the bit of the video I'm just showing you, that it was way too bright for me to start doing any sort of photography. The light was just all wrong. So what we did, we went for a walk and went back to the van. Then next morning I got up for sunrise. Dawn stayed in the van. I came down on my own and did a bit of photography then. I hope they turned out good. If they did, here we go.